Hello there, my name is Emin. I represent the company EMCsoft, and in this video I wanted to show you our application for ticketing system which we publish in Bitrix marketplace. So to download that application you need to go to the applications. So you need to go to your portal, go to the market, and in market click marketplace. And so if you do not see that tab, which is Ticket24, you need to just click ticket, type Ticket24, and you will see it, right? So when you need to click on it and install it. So I already installed it, so I need to click install. It will be installed immediately for you. You got a quick description here how you can use it, but that video actually will help you to use it to understand better. When you will install it, on left side on your portal you will see Ticket24. So you need to click on it, and before use it, you need to create a field where you will store password of your client, and you need to create a group where all tickets will come to. So for that, what you need to do? So during installation, you will see that page where you can see video tutorial, so which is this video. And this is a link which your customer will use for particular your ticketing system. So you need to send that link to your client and say that this is your link where you should to log into your ticketing system, this is your login, and this is your password. And another important issue, you also need to select field where you will store you will store password of your client. So you can when you do installation of your of that application automatically will create in contacts will create a field password for tickets. So if you will go to contacts, in contacts, you will see password for tickets field automatically created as well. So here you need to create a password for your client, so you can automatically generate or put any password manually, right? And save it. Also, but for example, for some reason don't happy about that field, you can select any other if you have an option. So for that you need to create another field. Also, ticketing group will be automatically created, or Tickets24 group will be created. All tickets will come to that groups as a task, but you can select any other group for some reason and click save. So also, if you have any questions, you just need to contact us via that link. Click on it. You'll see communication form to us, or you can go to our website and just to get more about us, our cases, and chat via WhatsApp or open channel as well. So once he entered that data, he can start sending you a ticket. So he need to create ticket, put any subject like subject 1, put any description, and attach any file and click send. So ticket raised. Then your manager will see the ticket that work group. So we need to go to the tickets work group, go to the tasks, and you will see that ticket which raised as a new. So I will move that, and inside of that ticket you will see the body of the task will be what client put it, enter it in the field of a ticket. So you can, for example, once you see the ticket, you can let client know that you're working with that ticket. So you need to move to the in progress. So that stage means will change in means that you're working, and the status will change to in progress as well. So you can automate that using standard tool of Bitrix. Also, inside of a ticket, you can reply to client. Thank you for your ticket. We'll back to you. Okay. So you're sending, and the reply will come along as a notification here. So client will see that you reply to him, and he go inside of a ticket and he will see your feedback. So he can send a message again. And his reply come into the ticket as well. This one. And I forget to mention that once ticket created, first of all, you will see name here, surname, subject, and date, right? Here, if there is no name and surname, you will see just login data, like email address. Then, for example, you're moving that ticket to the ending. So you end that ticket, and client will see that status change in his personal cabinet as well. So finished, and finish here, right? And for example, when you finish that task, you click finish inside of a task, and that notification, that is not notification, it's just comment, automatical comments, will come to the ticketing system as well, right? And he can see that task is closed. And actually, when you got multiple tickets from clients, all status, which will have, some tickets will have status finished, and some tickets will be status new. So new, and inside of the tickets, you will see new ticket. And for example, you change to a progress, and client will see that ticket as in status is in progress. And again, client can write something, and always conversation will be fixed inside of a ticket. Okay. Hello. And when you go to back to the ticket, you'll see automatic reply. And so, for example, and actually a client can separate it, finished tickets and new tickets, and he will see notification from you that you got some message for him. Also, inside of a contact which you created for a particular client, all tickets will be assigned as well as a task. So you can see that task inside of a contact card, and everything just the same as in a work group. And inside of a work group, you can create any stages and rename as put any name as you want. For example, I created a stage finished 2, and the same finished 2 immediately available in the ticketing system. That's it actually. If you like that video, click like. If you got a comments regarding that application, put your comments under that video, and install that application for your Bitrix for cloud or self-hosted and use it for your pleasure. Enjoy it. Thank you very much, and bye bye.